So here I am buffing the edges of wooden block. Took a little piece of sandpaper. I don't want edgy look. Also might hurt my hand while using. This is the part I am buffing. So let's start. Safety first. So please wear glasses and mask. If you're below 18, please take care. Don't hurt yourself. Here is how it looks after buffing. Cover the corners and buff it the sides. It is what it is. This is the shape you will see from the front. Little curvy. It is what it is.
Es lo que es. It is what it is.
Please buff the flat surface cause if you're like me,
Not my favorite.
cause no one is like me. हातात तूस गेलं की So yeah, let's talk about color. I have tasted on the block with color. Hope you can see the line in between here. One is shiny and the other is matte. On this side I have did white and double coat of green, and on this side only double coat of green. Take a look. This is matte and I'm going with the matte. This is looking too much shiny for me. It will hard to read the quote we will write on it. Also it is sticky while using. I'm going with matte. If you like, you can go with the shiny one. So yeah, let's color other blocks. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So this is for the part 1 for part 2, subscribe my channel. I know tote bag part 2 is pending due to the storage and the shortage of phone. It's coming soon. Stay tuned.